Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really happy you're here with me today. We're going to have a lot of fun learning together, so let's get started.
Now I'm going to show you what's going to be in this game. So it's the same game, Catch the Apple, but we're going to make it as like like we did more. See, we made like a game over, and we added like when you start, first you press the space key to start it. Then you just click on it, and that's how you start it. Let's get right into it. So this is where we left off. So this is the one. So we're going to modify some of these codes. Like over here, we need the byte sound. So to get to the byte sound, we need to go to the sound section. Then we'll see play sound chomp until no, play sound chomp. And you can see sound like over here. You can make it faster or slower. But if you feel like it has been kind of weird, you could just remove it and then add it back from choose a sound. Then you could just search for it, but I would like to type it in. So I don't think it was chomp. I think it was white. Yeah, this one. Okay. So just put this back. Or you know what? When you see like there's like a little arrow like right here, that means there's more options. So white. But if you want to do your own sound, you could just go over here. It's above recorder. So then that's how you make just like that. Then we should do the other sprite. So choose a sprite. But we don't want to choose a sprite. We want to make our own. So paint. Then you could do whatever like start background you could do. Well, I'm going to make my own. I'm gonna do it like this, like over here to here. You want it as is to cover the whole screen, but I want those like little black lines. Okay, should have came by now. Okay, want it aligned. Okay, just okay. Then we could do this one. Then the final one, which is this one. Too much. Then just like this. Then we could wait. Oops. We could do the text, and we could change the font. They added more fonts, which is these ones, and but I would recommend marker, as like it says press. Wait, it says blue, black. Okay, press space to start, as in to start it. Then we want it to be aligned, so we want it bigger, much bigger, but not too big that it already goes out of the whole screen. Down a little bit smaller, just like this. Then we could do like this apple. You could just get the apple. If you want the whole thing, do like this. Then copy. Don't click on paste just yet. Go over here. Then paste it. Put it in the middle. And then for the title of the game, it could be Pixel. Catch the apple. Purple's kind of weird, so I'll also make this like that. Then make it a lot bigger since it's the title. Yep, that should be good. Okay, so now we're finished with the design. We need to do the code. So when green flag clicked, it's supposed to show first. So I think shows over here. Yep. Then since it says when if space key is like pressed, we need the when space key is pressed. Yeah, this one. Then we need hide. But if they didn't, it will still show. So we need the if. Not because as in like it did not, the user did not press the key space. Then if they didn't press it, it will still show. So just like this. But there's a problem. The the apples are still falling from the sky. But we didn't even press space. How to fix this problem? You just go to the others. Then we add a height on top. Just wait. Then add a wait until this one below key space pressed. Then if that's the thing now, you need to put it under, put it here. Then key space pressed, then show. After we showed, it will start, but like yeah, I think this will work. Okay. Yep, works. Just like that. But something is missing. Whenever the apple falls, it goes down until to like 0 then negative. We don't want that. We want it to stop. So we will also paint. Then you could do your own. I'll do mine's. I would like mine's as red. Then you want it as square. So okay. I wouldn't recommend like this. Like there's no reason to use it. So okay, the whole screen should be covered. Yep. Then we add the game over. Look, it's red. Game over. Then we need to make it a lot big. Then what I like to do is go to the text, then put it anywhere. Then if you click on the window and that like comma and dot of above them, it will give you this like emoji pad. Then it has these, and you could add these goals. For some reason, it's not adding. Oh yeah, now it's gonna be adding. Just like this. Yeah, just like that. Now make it bigger. Just like that. Now we need to code it. So we wanted to stop until like we wanted to show when it's the score is like -1. So or like less than 0. So when it starts, hide. Then wait until, then go to operators. There's this. Choose that one. Then go to variables where the score is. Then put that there and put 0 since the score is less than 0. Then if, then you could just like right click on this and you'll see duplicate just like this. Then you could show and stop the whole game, because since it's like it's 0, like you're supposed to stop, you cannot continue. And then this should be the whole code, but that's the problem. Now it's not letting us start since it's like kind of glitched. So we go over here, well, to Apple. Then we also add the if. It's supposed to hide, but okay, so I'll tell you. Then you could just set the score to 0 just like this. Yeah, because it's kind of bugged right now. Then this should work. Yeah, just like this. It's working. Game over. But for some reason it's not working. Okay, so set score to everywhere. This one's over here. Oh, so there wasn't. So, there it is, but it's supposed to be under. All of this, just like this, then it should work. Okay, and false, and false. Game over. Okay, this is the code. Just when you click on space, it'll start. Then sync. Then 3, 2, and 1, and 0. Game over. Well, this is the code.
Alright everyone, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you had fun learning with me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye!